my name is Jazlynn and I'm in the James Logan High School Design and Careers Club. The club has benefited me in a lot of ways because it's opened up more opportunities for me to talk to real professionals in different fields. And it's just opened up my knowledge about different careers out there and different pathways for me. In the James Logan High School Designer Careers Club this year, we were able to meet with paleontologists, pharmacists, teachers, community organizers, and entrepreneurs. And we met with a ton of people. We had about 2 webinars a week with different professionals, and it really helped me see the reality of different jobs and jobs that I would now consider going to because I have the knowledge about it. And I think before the club, I only knew about the generic stereotypes of different careers, and it was mostly the ones that are highlighted in school. So the club really helped me see what else I could follow rather than just following, what teachers tell you to follow or what parents tell you to follow. And it was really exciting to learn about different things that you never knew about, and I think the club just really taught me a lot about leadership and also about having connections and seeking out opportunities so that you can find your pathway.